Listen, I understand that you love personal training, you love in person, you love training clients and seeing their happy faces. But I know there's one thing you love more, and that's your friends and your family. So I'm going to give you 4 ways you can start getting some of your time back. Because let's flip and be honest now, right? Cool. So number one is charge more. Now I know that's scary, but you should always charge more anyway. You know, everybody else is going to start charging more. So just start charging more, right? It makes sense. And then that way, yeah, you will scare some people off, but you will make more in general so that you won't even feel the loss of those people. Lock off social family time, okay? You need to start like making your schedule a bit more exclusive. Again, it makes people know that you're more, exclusive anyway. It makes people respect you more, and you just got the right balance, man. And then that time off, that's going to give you more hunger to get more clients anyway and make more money. So don't worry about that. But block off your diary, man. Stop fucking having the whole thing open. Next is you want to group clients up where possible. Listen, if you're on the gym floor, you probably got a high churn rate anyway. People are leaving left, right, and center, and it just goes like that. So grouping people together, you're probably going to get some people stay longer because it's going to work out a little bit cheaper for them. And at the end of the day, like they're going to be more motivated. They've got someone else motivating them. It's more fun. It's more competitive, right? So I would be doing that if I was you, man. You fit more in less time. And then lastly, go online. Yeah, stop faffing about. Go online. Devote some time to that. Yeah, you got to work on it to start it off, but pretty soon that will pay off and you won't even need to like work half as many hours as you do, right? Cool. So if you want more information about that transition from PT to fully online or hybrid, then drop me a message with the word growth and we will chop it up.